Thanks for coming back for episode 2 of this video series. Hold on for a second while I run through this before landing checklist.
Number 20052, you're 3 from Oswego, maintain 3,000 to 1,000. The final approach course cleared the RNAV runway 2 approach.
Okay, let me get this checklist done.
Belts and harnesses full selected, full tank. Picture was rich, engine instruments are all good. Back end is checked, yep. That motor's checked. Brakes. Everything's good. There's a tower going to be 13465. Number 20052, radar services terminated. Just keep up squawk. Concord Tower 134.65. We'll talk to you in a minute. 134.65 for 052. Talk to you soon.
If you watched episode 1, you would already know that I'm flying the RNAV approach to runway 2 at the Concord, North Carolina Airport. I'm still outside of SIGA, the final approach fix, established on the inbound course line, which means I can now descend to 2,900 feet.
Aircraft 236, are you looking for a climb? Yeah, up to 2,500 feet. What do we need? And cover tower 2052 on the runway 02. Number 20052, are you doing a low approach or touching go? I don't think it's a low approach. You put low approach runway 2052 at the completion of that low approach. That's why runway heading and maintain 3,000. Runway 3,000 for 052 on the mist.
I just crossed the SIGA, and I can now start down for the runway. Since I'm not able to get an LPV indication on my GPS, this becomes a non-precision approach. That means no glide slope to follow. So I'll be descending to an MDA, or minimum descent altitude, which is 1,240 feet MSL.
Look at the FTHVN, we made this into a touch and go. Now lock for touch and go, runway 2052, and the same climb out instructions above. Alright, for that, for touch and go, same climb out instructions for 052.
I'm now inside Kokba, which puts me just under 4 nautical miles to go. But since it's a beautiful VFR day, I can easily see the runway ahead in the distance.
I got a career track and I heard 9.5 while I heard you going northeast, is that correct? 295, runway 2, taxi out.
There's 500 above minimums.
Wind 70 Delta Tango, clear to Peachtree to cab, Bob Z5 departure. Tinsley transition, then is filed. Maintain 3,000, expect flight level 200 within 10 minutes. Departure 12832 and squawk 5105. Tango, we'll be back correct. Just let me know when you're ready to taxi. Alright, good now. This is not on because we don't have a pump. That's a wind. We'll stay. John Mark, make sure. String 267 Whiskey Alpha, runway 2, taxi via Alpha. Everything looks good, we're all in.
Okay, now clean up the airplane and go.
Roger, got it on request. Should have something here in a couple minutes. Down on the brakes, off we go. Career track 295, pulling short, runway 2, ready for departure. Career track 295, proceed on course to the northeast, remain clear of the Charlotte class Bravo, and you're clear for takeoff, runway 2. Clear for takeoff, runway 2, career track 295. Warrior 09 Tango, Concord Tower, Roger, runway 2, taxi via Alpha. System 052, contact Charlotte, departure, have a good day. System departure, 052, got the order. With you, apartment to 3000. Number 20052, ident for me, Charlotte, number 3000. Number 20052, radar contact, about 2 miles north of Concord. I say you're leaving 1,800, and you're looking to go towards Locust at this point? The RNAV 23 you said? Number 20052, turn right heading 090. 090, 052. Number 8 Lima uniform, fly heading 210.
That will do it for this episode. Watch for the return flight to Monroe in Part 3. Until then, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.